Okay, y'all, we got a mess going on in the background because guess what? It's almost Christmas, and I said I wasn't gonna do no decorations, but y'all know that grandbaby of mine is gonna make me get in that spirit because it's her second Christmas, and this Christmas she's gonna go a little bit more than she did last year, of course. So I'm excited about that. So we're gonna get ready to start unboxing all of the old stuff we have, which I'm not getting anything new. No, we're gonna use what we got, and we're gonna make the best of all of that. So exciting times. So let's get started. I got the snowman here, I got the Christmas tree, I got the wreaths, and I gotta dig in the closet and get all of the other little goodies out. Yeah, so that's what we up to. Okay, let's get started. Might as well. I know Mike will put these boxes back in place.
Y'all, before I could even get started good, my energy just started going downhill, and I knew I had to do something to get me back right. Let me ask you a question. Are you feeling drained after a busy day of holiday decorating, or just trying to keep your energy up? I get it. It can be exhausting. That's why I'm sipping on Adore Energy sparkling water, and wow. It's been a total game changer. This isn't just any sparkling water. It's packed with organic caffeine from green tea for a clean, jitter-free energy boost. Each can has 100 milligrams of caffeine, about the same as your average cup of coffee, but way more refreshing. Plus, it has 200 milligrams of L-theanine, an amino acid also found in green tea. It works like a superhero sidekick to caffeine, keeping you energized and focused without the crash. And let's not forget the sea salt electrolytes. Hydration is so important, especially if you've been running around putting up lights and garlands. The flavors are amazing. I'm talking about Mexican lime, pink grapefruit, cucumber mint, white peach, blueberry pomegranate, tropical mango, and vanilla blackberry. My favorite is the tropical mango. Whether you're into something fruity or a little more sophisticated, there's a flavor here for you. And I just grab a can when I need to feel alert, stay hydrated, or just treat myself to something bubbly and fun. It's perfect for the holiday prep, your afternoon pick-me-up, or even as a cocktail mixer for those festive gatherings. Oh, and guess what? It's zero sugar, 0 calories, and made with organic natural flavors. That means no guilt, no weird aftertaste, and nothing artificial. So if you're ready to make your holidays or any day a little brighter and a lot more energized, give Adore Energy sparkling water a try. I'm talking about you deserve it.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la
Y'all may recall a couple of videos ago, I did receive a Pilar Epic water picture, and this is just a filter that was received today to replace the other one when it's time. So it's on a timer of like 90 days. So I still have a good long time before I have to replace it, but have it on deck now. And I will link the video of the water picture so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I'll put it in the description box, the video for that. But this is it. And again, I'll also put the link for the water picture in the description box as well. So if you want one, check it out, okay?
Tired of messy files and plastic folders? Let me introduce you to ECOSTASH wheat straw hanging file folders, the eco-friendly solution you've been waiting for. These folders are made from renewable wheat straw material, so they're BPA-free and sustainable. Plus, they're thicker, sturdier, and way more durable than traditional options. I love the expandable accordion design with 7 pockets, each holding plenty of documents. The removable colored labels make organizing and finding files a breeze, and the sealed sides ensure nothing slips out. With colors like wheat yellow, sky blue, and strawberry pink, they bring a touch of nature to your workspace. They even fit perfectly in standard filing cabinets with smooth sliding hooks. Ready to organize your life while helping the planet? Check them out. I always have to say I am such a lucky girl. I was also sent over a special gift. And this gift, y'all, here, I'm going to talk about it more on Royal's channel, but it is from Keep Going, and it is a small travel first aid kit. They also have a larger size, but I do have the smaller one for traveling. Like, have you ever been out and about and your little one suddenly needs a bandage, but all you have is a crumbled up tissue in your bag? Well, let me tell you, my kids are grown now, but as y'all know, my granddaughter is around a lot. And that's exactly why I'm obsessed with the Keep Going Small Travel First Aid Kit. So what makes this kit a game changer? It's a first aid kit, but not just any first aid kit. This one is compact, cute, and packed with 60 essential items, all in a tiny TSA-approved case that easily fits in your purse, a diaper bag, or a backpack. I love it because it's made by a mom for moms. It's like someone finally understood when you're juggling kids, snacks, and everything else, you need something lightweight, organized, and ready for those everyday ouchies. Now, I'm a grandmom, but you know, it works just the same for me as well. I gotta have something handy, and this is it. Plus, the case is stain and water resistant, so it holds up no matter where life takes you. And how this will solve your problems, whether it's a scraped knee at the park, a paper cut at school, or even an unexpected wardrobe malfunction. Yes, it has a sewing kit. This little kit has you covered. It even includes non-sting cleaning wipes and a tick remover. You heard me, a tick remover. I love it so much. First of all, again, it's cute. Seriously, there are so many designs to choose from, so it doesn't feel like you're carrying around a boring medical box. It's also kid-friendly. Those latex-free bandages come with adorable designs that make boo-boo time a little less stressful and a lot more fun. The thoughtful extras like lip balm and nosebleed plugs, game changers, and the first aid guide included in the kit is perfect for anyone who might need a little reminder of what to do in a pinch. As a grandmother, this kit has given me so much peace of mind. It's not just for kids either. This is a must-have for busy families, whether you're at home, on vacation, or just running errands. It's FSA and HSA eligible too, so it's a practical buy that doesn't break the bank. This first aid kit makes it so easy to keep going. No matter what the day throws at you, whether it's for travel, home, or your everyday bag, it's a tiny little lifesaver that's big on convenience and care. And that wraps up my things, girls and guys, too, if you're here watching it with us. But that is it on my goodies, y'all. So, y'all, that is really it for today's vlog. I am just popping in to close it out, and hopefully you enjoyed the content. And listen, stay tuned. I will go ahead and do the reveal of the little bit of Christmas decoration that I did. Not much. I didn't do much. I just wanted something so Baby Royal, when she's here, can see the lights, the cameras, action, and stuff like that, so we can do our little Christmas stories with her. And I definitely am excited about this Christmas because, like I said earlier, she does know a little bit more, of course, than she knew last year about it, because she was clueless last year. But she is almost 17 months old now, so she is definitely ready to let those eyes just like, what is that, get big from excitement. So I'm super excited about 2024 Christmas. I am. So that is really it. I am going to, as I told y'all, not be really doing Vlogmas, but I will be bringing more content over here. So stick and stay for that. The Christmas stuff, the cooking perhaps, and all that stuff we are preparing for tomorrow, prepping for Thanksgiving. And I hope you all have a blessed Thanksgiving. I hope you have a Merry Christmas if I don't get a chance to chit chat back and forth with you in the comments and miss out and not tell you that. But I just did. Okay, so I hope you made it to this part of the video in order to get that and receive it. Listen, I am out of here. And again, I will talk to you all in the next one, which it won't be long because I got plenty of content, plenty of things going on right now. Again, it's holiday time, and happy holidays to each one of y'all. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing.